everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today we're making a quick and easy recipe from the chickpea, or garbanzo beans as it is called in some places in the world. Today we're making hummus. Now I'm sure some of you are saying, what is hummus? Now hummus is a very versatile food. You can use it as a paste between your sandwiches, that is so delicious, or you may use it as a dressing for your salads. It really elevates the taste of your salads. Or my favorite way is to use it as a dip at your parties or events. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 14 ounces of garbanzo beans. Now you can get them either in the pack or in the can. If you get them from the pack, you're going to have to cook them first. You're going to cook them with some salt, some oil, and some onion until they're nice and tender. Or if you got them from the can, they're already pre-cooked. 14 ounces of garbanzo beans. We have 1/4 cup of tahini. We have the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small onion chopped, 1 clove of garlic, and our spices: 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to start our hummus. Now the first step we need to remove will be the white shell you find on the beans. Even though some persons can use it because we're going to use the blender, it's smoother once we remove it. But we're not going to sit down here and remove every single one. The easiest way is to soak the beans in water, and once we have them soaking, just gently almost massage the beans. By massaging, you can see all of the shell is off, so we're just going to strain it now to remove these shells from the water. Then we're going to head to the blender. Okay, I have removed most of the shells off of the garbanzo beans or the chickpeas and have left them here in the water to drain. Now we're going to add everything, all of the ingredients, to the food processor or blender. Now you can use either one. We're going to add our tahini, all of our spices, as we need to really add that flavor, our olive oil and our lime juice just to kick it up a bit, and then our hummus will be ready. Our paste, our hummus, is now done. I'm going to use the spatula just to remove the hummus from the sides. It smells amazing. Tahini is made from sesame seeds, and you can smell the sesame seeds. It almost has an aroma of peanut butter. It is smooth and silky. The olive oil that we would have used allowed it to be silky with a nice shine. I'm going to take some of this hummus out. We're going to put it into a nice container and we'll get ready to taste. Just look how silky and smooth this is. We'll get ready to taste. Our hummus is now done and it smells really good. I would have just put a dash of paprika over it and drizzled some olive oil just on the top for presentation purposes, but this is just perfect as is. Now it's time to taste. So I'm going to use a carrot stick just to taste it. It is so smooth and silky. Perfect for your parties and major events. Hummus. Now you need to try it.